Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hirable step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Hirable in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the Hirable website. Once the page loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the email field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check that your email and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your credentials are entered, click the Submit button. Wait a moment while Hirable processes your login information. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your Hirable dashboard. If there's an error, ensure your credentials are accurate and try again. Now, you are successfully logged into Hirable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.